Hey coffee lovers! If you can't start your day without a fresh espresso, you're not alone. Well, today's your lucky day because I'm about to show you the top 5 best espresso machines that will help you do just that. So, grab your coffee and let's dive into this coffee-filled adventure. Number 5. Gevi 20-bar Espresso Machine. First up, we've got the Gevi 20-bar Espresso Machine, a sleek and functional device that grinds your coffee beans fresh with an integrated conical burr grinder offering 30 different grind settings. Yes, you heard that right, freshly ground coffee beans go straight into the portafilter. What's even better? Thanks to its dual boiler system, you can pull your espresso shot and steam your milk at the same time without losing heat. The PID temperature control system ensures the water stays at the perfect temperature, so every shot is just right. And the powerful steam wand? Get ready to impress with some latte art. The Gevi is like having your very own caf right in your kitchen. Number 4. Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Next up is the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro, a legend among coffee lovers. This machine brings Italian craftsmanship to your kitchen with its 9-bar pressure system for extracting perfect espresso shots. And for those looking to step up their game, the 58mm commercial-size portafilter makes you feel like you're behind the bar at your favorite caf. With its high-quality steam wand, you can create silky microfoam for those perfect cappuccinos or master your latte art. Plus, the 3-way solenoid valve dries out the coffee puck for easy cleanup, and its quiet operation means you can make your morning coffee without waking up the whole house. Number 3. DeLonghi XP 3420. Coming up next is the DeLonghi XP 3420, a machine that lets you create caf-quality beverages at home with ease. The 15-bar professional pressure ensures that each espresso shot is packed with flavor. Whether you want a single or double shot, cappuccino or latte, this machine delivers every time. With the advanced cappuccino system, you get perfectly textured foam for a rich, creamy cappuccino. Plus, its quick cappuccino system allows you to make multiple drinks back-to-back without waiting. The compact design doesn't take up much space on your counter, and with a removable water tank and drip tray, cleanup is a breeze. Number 4. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic. Now we're stepping into the world of convenience with the Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. One touch is all it takes to brew up your favorite coffee: espresso, americano, cappuccino, and more. Its 100% ceramic grinder offers 12 different grind levels, so you get the perfect aroma from your beans every time. With the My Coffee Choice menu, you can customize the strength, volume, and temperature of your coffee to suit your taste. Fancy a creamy cappuccino? The classic milk frothing system has got you covered. And the best part, with the AquaClean filter, you won't need to descale the machine for up to 5,000 cups. Cleaning this machine is just as easy as making coffee. Number 5. Breville Barista Touch. Last but not least, we've got the Breville Barista Touch, where technology meets coffee passion. This sleek, stainless steel machine not only looks great in your kitchen, but also comes with a built-in conical grinder that delivers the exact amount of coffee every time. And waiting for your coffee? Not with this machine! The thermojet heating system reaches the perfect brewing temperature in just 3 seconds. Its touchscreen display lets you customize your coffee strength, milk temperature, and foam texture to your liking. It even comes with 5 pre-programmed caf favorites, plus you can save up to 8 personalized coffee recipes. The automatic milk frothing system creates the perfect microfoam for latte art. Your dream coffee is now just a touch away. And there you have it, the top 5 espresso machines to take your coffee game to the next level. Each one has its own unique features to suit different needs, so which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and coffee content. Until next time, enjoy your coffee and see you in the next video.